Hello there, Declan Davey here, health copywriter, and today we're going to be doing a quick homepage review for Visconn Clinic, who are a digital health video clinic solution. We're going to be quickly reading a about section on their company on the LinkedIn page and then clicking through to the website, going through what we like and perhaps making some suggestions for what could be improved further. I probably will pause for thoughts or analysis at some point. So if you want to move it forward to a 1.25 or 1.5 speed, if you're feeling ambitious, then go for it. So first of all, let's read the snippet on the About section of LinkedIn. So it says that Visconn Clinic is an adaptable video clinic solution that enables healthcare providers to offer patients a video consultation when a face-to-face appointment isn't required. Operating over WebRTC means all that users need is a device with a camera and an internet connection. So it looks like a great service, very relevant for the modern age and moving healthcare forward. Let's click on the site and see what our first impression is. So first impressions, great use of white space. The text stands out, simple and secure video consultations. The top bar, the navigation bar, isn't too cluttered. We've got the contact details easily displayed there, both phone and email for companies who may just want to quickly get in touch without reading through the page. And it seems like a nice color scheme as well, with the orange and blue sort of navy color scheme. It's a clean look. It's been designed really nicely, and there's a really relevant image here, obviously with a healthcare professional, an indication of what the Visconn Clinic calendar could look like. And we've got a strong call to action with a nice touch, the arrow there, suggesting that by clicking find out more, we're going to scroll downwards, and it does exactly that. In terms of the headline, we've got simple and secure video consultations, an intuitive solution that provides healthcare professionals with the ability to conduct video appointments when no physical examination is necessary. So whilst I really like the formatting of the headline, I wonder if it could be improved slightly, particularly the subheading. Let's see what we can come up with, because I wonder if healthcare professionals, who presumably are the target audience here, are really sitting in their office thinking, oh, I wish I had a more intuitive solution. I think that's probably unlikely. But could they be sitting in their office thinking, I really wish I could see more patients with less hassle? Yes, that's probably quite likely. Let's see if we can go into this section, inspect. Don't worry, this isn't a permanent change, just temporary to see how it looks. So, see more patients. Could be for healthcare professionals who want to see more patients with less hassle. Again, this is just off the top of my head, but I think that's a more real life potential benefit for healthcare professionals than intuitive solutions, which is a bit wishy-washy. But other than that, I think they're really strong calls to action. Find out more, get in touch. It gives the browser two different options. And then we scroll down and it's broken down into benefits for healthcare and benefits for patients. I really approve of this. Makes the usability really nice, whether they're a healthcare professional or even a patient who could be browsing this site. And we've got clickable buttons, it looks like. Read more, yep. So it goes through to relevant pages there. Again, the color scheme with blues and oranges and whites, I really like it. Whoever has been in charge of the design for this site, they've done a fantastic job here. And then why choose Visconn Clinic? An adaptable video clinic solution that enables healthcare providers to offer patients a video consultation when a face-to-face appointment isn't required. So this is sort of repeating what was initially in the subheading above. So what I do is I'd keep this section here, and I would change the subheading above to something like I've suggested, but you can add in your own ideas there. Then it looks like we go further into the benefits. So this is again really well designed, with sort of left and right. Increase your capacity. Video consultations facilitate new working methods that provide better coordination and flexible allocation of resources, whilst providing staff working on reduced hours of considering early retirement. So these are, again, all very tangible benefits that I think a lot of healthcare professionals would appreciate. And we've got clean images, relevant images. We've got some branding on show as well, which is important for building brand familiarity. And we've got some nice get in touch call to actions peppered throughout these benefits. What you could maybe do is mix the wording up a little bit with some of these. So have one like get in touch, another one contact us today, just to see if any convert more than others. Then we go into features. So again, great use of the white space, and it says there are a whole host of features included within Visconn Clinic, designed specifically for healthcare and enabling you to transform your patient experience whilst also increasing your efficiency. So I think, to me, that stands out as the key value proposition here for healthcare professionals. Is giving more comprehensive services to patients whilst also improving their productivity and hopefully reducing the stress levels of the healthcare professionals. I love the graphics. They're really modern. When you hover over them, it does go into more detail. Perhaps some browsers wouldn't think to hover. So maybe the text itself could just be summarized underneath. And then when you hover over, it could be a find out more prompt. And then we've got view all features. Maybe it clicks through to another relevant page. It's laid out really nicely. Very pleasant on the eyes. And then we've got organizations that we work with. Has helped a variety of healthcare providers to digitalize their operations, working in partnership with our customers to ensure. Yep, seems relevant. And we've got NHS, obviously a big name. It scrolls through nicely. A nice mixture of companies. The logos aren't clickable. Perhaps if you wanted to go into more detail, each logo could open up into a case study. I know you've got the case study section up here, so maybe it does go into more detail there. But there could be an internal link placed there. And then what our customers say about us. So we've got a testimonial section here with a link to the case studies, which is fab. I would say the testimonial text is quite long, and that could be broken up into 2 or 3 paragraphs just to make it more readable. But I like that there are specific figures and numbers included too, and they're easily scrollable. And then we've got a final call to action at the bottom. Want to know more? Get in touch. So it's certainly clear. It's simple. I wonder if a more specific benefit could be included there for them getting in touch, like get in touch to see how Visconn can work with you, or get in touch to find out how Visconn can benefit your clinic, for example. Something like that that's a bit more detailed and just extends on what you've spoken about above. I think overall the design is really fantastic. I like that simple language has been used and the elements are all nicely clickable. The one thing that stands out to me is, although the value proposition is strong, I wonder if there really is a unique selling point. There are quite a few digital and video appointments and software coming on the market for healthcare companies. And I wonder if there's something about Visconn that just makes you unique. It could be a certain new piece of technology that you're incorporating. It could be that you're more hands-on with helping healthcare professionals set up their video consults. Just demonstrating that quite early on in the homepage, I think would help, just to help your brand stand out even further. But other than that, I think you've done a really great job here. It's really a pretty design, I may say. It's functional, lots of relevant clickable elements. So for the team at Visconn, I hope you've enjoyed this quick review. Maybe there are a couple of tips you want to try out and take away. And for any other health, wellness, or medical companies who may be interested in a homepage review, feel free to check out the link below and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks very much.